Lemongrass, a natural remedy for infection prevention and wound healing, has antibacterial properties. Its high monotopene content, particularly nerol and geraniol, kills bacteria on the skin. Lemongrass effectively combats pimple-causing bacteria, as bacteria are a common cause of acne. Lemongrass's antibacterial properties make it a valuable tool for acne prevention. Organic lemongrass essential oil, a natural antioxidant, plays a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, which can be harmful to the skin. Organic lemongrass essential oil, known for its fresh citrus fragrance, is a popular choice in beauty products due to its naturally appealing and tangy scent. Lemongrass oil is a powerful skin cleanser that effectively removes dirt from pores and surface areas, making it an effective acne prevention oil. It not only prevents acne but also provides a clear glow, enhancing the appearance of the skin for a vibrant and eye-catching appearance. Exposure to UV light leads to skin aging, resulting in reduced elasticity, blemishes, and less vibrant color. Lemongrass oil, rich in antioxidants, can help reduce skin aging by creating a barrier against external stressors. Regular use of lemongrass essential oil can reduce wear and tear on the skin, making it a beneficial skincare solution. Lemongrass oil is known for its ability to reduce wrinkling by regulating skin oil content, keeping the skin tight and preventing premature wrinkles. It is a beneficial addition to your daily skincare routine, as it provides all the necessary benefits without the use of harsh chemicals, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a natural skincare solution. Lemongrass essential oil shrinks skin pores, preventing excess oil secretion and combating oily skin. This process is also more aesthetically pleasing, as smaller pores are generally more pleasing to the eye. Lemongrass oil, rich in citral and geraniol, is effective in repelling bugs like mosquitoes and ants, with a mild scent, and can be directly sprayed on skin, and can even kill fleas. Organic lemongrass essential oil, known for its soothing and calming properties, is a great option for a peaceful night's rest due to its delightful scent and soothing effects on body and mind, making it an excellent choice for aromatherapy. Organic lemongrass essential oil is ideal for skincare due to its purifying properties, which effectively remove impurities, detoxify the skin, and leave it feeling clean and clear. Lemongrass essential oil is a skin-soothing and anti-inflammatory natural extract with potential therapeutic applications for treating inflammatory skin conditions. It is an effective cleanser for all skin types, sterilizing pores, serving as a natural toner, and strengthening skin tissues. It can be added to shampoos, conditioners, deodorants, soaps, and lotions, making it an essential part of a natural skincare routine. Organic lemongrass essential oil is a natural astringent used in skincare products to reduce oiliness and control shine, offering significant beauty benefits by acting as a natural astringent.